As you might expect, Her Majesty Queen Axe is more than happy to apply royalties. And here's how you do it. Assuming that your art is already in place, you've entered it, you've given the size, the location, you've added the necessary icons, you went to the Name Drop tab, entered those as appropriate, went to the Coloring and Materials tab, selected whatever coloring guidance you wanted. That only leaves the Licensing tab. Click on it, look for the royalty code field, then click on the drop-down arrow and search for the appropriate licensing account. Right-click, filter by field, replace the embedded text with whatever is appropriate to find the account you want, and there's the University of California Irvine Anteaters. I click on the name itself. It embeds the royalty code of 7.5%, and now I've actually applied the royalty to the art itself. But if I'd made a mistake and I needed to get rid of it, I simply highlight it, hit delete, and it's gone. But after all, I really do want to apply this account because their mascot, with his lordly demeanor, his piercing gaze, his profound proboscis, and his constant slurping sounds, bears a striking resemblance to Andy Seeloss, don't you think?